The Journey of Lina. Lina is a young girl. She lives in a small village near the forest. She likes to walk every morning. She listens to the birds and the river. One day, Lina sees a butterfly. The butterfly is blue and bright. She follows it into the forest. The trees are tall, and the air is cool. Lina walks and walks. She sees rabbits running, deer eating grass, and fish jumping in the river. She feels happy. She says, "Nature is full of life." After some time, Lina finds a big stone. She sits down and rests. She looks at the sky. Clouds move slowly. Birds fly high. She closes her eyes and hears the sound of water and wind. Suddenly, she hears a voice. It is her friend, Tom. Tom says, "Lina, where are you? Your mother is waiting." Lina smiles. She says, "I was on a journey. I saw many things." They walk home together. Lina tells Tom about the butterfly, the deer, and the river. Tom listens and says, "You are brave. Tomorrow, let's go together." From that day, Lina and Tom explore the forest often. They learn about animals, trees, and the river. They understand that nature is their teacher.